Every single software team out there is in a race. It's a race to deliver incredible, high-quality software and to do it fast. The secret to winning this whole thing, it's something called developer velocity, the power to turn ideas into actual business value and do it quickly. Today, we're going to build the engine that gets you there. So how do we actually build for speed? We're going to put together what I call a velocity stack, layer by layer. First, we have to clear out the biggest roadblock of them all, tool sprawl. Then we'll build our automation engine with CI/CD, throw in an AI copilot to accelerate everything, install a dashboard so we can measure our progress, and then finally bring it all together to see the huge advantage of having a single platform. Okay, first things first, the foundation. You can't accelerate if you still got your foot on the brake, right? And for most development teams, the biggest break is the hidden chaos of having way too many tools. On the left, you've got the messy reality for so many teams. Developers are constantly switching gears, jumping between totally different tools for coding, for testing, for security. This just creates complexity, it opens up security gaps, and honestly, it gives leadership zero visibility into what's actually going on. But then look at the right. A single platform gives you these smooth, streamlined workflows. It bakes security in from the very beginning, and it gives everyone a clear, top-to-bottom view. It is literally the difference between working with constant friction and achieving a state of pure, focused flow. So now that we've cleared away all that friction from the tool sprawl, we have a clear path to build our engine. And that engine, well, it runs on one thing: automation. At the absolute heart of developer velocity is the CI/CD pipeline. The best way to think about it? It's a conveyor belt for software. Every single time a developer commits new code, it gets automatically put on this belt, ready to be built, tested, and shipped out without anyone having to manually push a button. And the process is just beautifully simple. As soon as that code hits the repository, the pipeline just kicks into gear. Step 1, it builds the application. Step 2, it runs a whole suite of automated tests to catch any bugs right away. And if everything looks good, Step 3, it deploys the code. This whole process completely gets rid of manual handovers, it slashes human error, and it gives developers instant feedback on their work. Okay, so our engine is humming along nicely, automating the entire delivery process. But what if we could add an accelerator? A layer of intelligence to make everything even faster and, well, smarter. This simple question is an absolute game changer. It represents this fundamental shift in how software gets made. We're moving away from the tedious job of writing every single line of code and moving towards focusing on high-level problem solving and creativity, all while an intelligent partner handles the grunt work. And that copilot? It's GitLab Duo AI. Look, it doesn't just suggest code. It actually understands the context of your project. It helps automate debugging by finding root causes and suggesting fixes. It even flags security problems as you're typing. And it analyzes your CI/CD pipeline to find ways to squeeze out even more speed. And really, this is what it's all about. The single biggest killer of productivity is distraction. So by handling all those repetitive, time-sucking tasks, AI lets developers stay in that flow state, that zone of deep focus where the most innovative and amazing work actually gets done. Okay, so we're moving fast. We've got a powerful automated engine. We've got an AI copilot. Things are great. But here's the critical question. How do we know if we're moving fast in the right direction? For that, we're going to need a dashboard. This is where Value Stream Analytics, or VSA, comes into play. I want you to think of VSA as the main dashboard for your entire software factory. It doesn't just track lines of code, it tracks value. It gives you a crystal clear, data-driven view of the entire journey, from a simple idea all the way to a finished feature in your customer's hands. And VSA focuses on what really matters, not on vanity metrics. It measures things like cycle time, which is the raw speed of your team from the moment they start a task to when they finish. It tracks lead time, the total time it takes for an idea to actually reach your customer, which really shows how agile your business is. And it monitors throughput, how much valuable work you're actually shipping out the door. These metrics tell you about flow and impact, not just about being busy. And by actually visualizing this data, the power of VSA becomes so obvious. You can instantly see where the bottlenecks are. Is work getting stuck in code review for days? Is manual testing slowing everything down? This lets you stop guessing and start making smart, data-driven improvements to your whole workflow. So we've laid the foundation, we've built the engine, we added the accelerator, and we've installed the dashboard. Now it's time to put it all together and see the incredible payoff of having this completely integrated system. Because the ultimate goal here, it's not just about moving fast. True developer velocity is about efficiently and effectively delivering tangible value to your customers, from the second an idea is born to the second it's live in production. And the impact is just staggering. I mean, look at this data. Teams that are struggling with a tangled mess of different tools might take 45 days to deliver one feature, a month and a half. But by getting everyone on a single platform with all the layers of our velocity stack working together, that time gets slashed to just 15 days. You're not just improving by a little bit, you're tripling your speed. That is a massive competitive advantage. So I want to leave you with this one final thought. Speed is essential, for sure, but it's only half the equation. Having the visibility to know you're building the right thing and delivering real value, that's what truly defines success. You see, velocity without direction is just chaos, but velocity with visibility, that's how you win.